Hi everyone, I'm Sandy and welcome to my channel, Sandy's Happy Plants. Today I'll be doing a little bit of a different video. I'm gonna do a video on how to open a cacao pod. Yes, and this is a cacao pod. It's basically where chocolate comes from, but you have to do a bunch of stuff for it to turn into chocolate. But in today's video, I want to open it and get out the seeds and maybe ferment them, and then we'll see from there. So let's do it. So this cacao pod was actually grown here in Winnipeg, which is pretty amazing since you know, these little guys don't really grow here in Winnipeg. And I say little guy because this one is really little. They can get really big. They can get like, you know, really big. But they usually grow in Mexico, South America, the Amazon, yeah, pretty much warm climates. But this one was grown here in Winnipeg and it was given to me by a friend. And so I figured, hey, let's make a little video about it. And so yeah, I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside and go from there. Okay, so I put on some gloves just because I just got my gel nails taken off and my real nails are a little sensitive, so that's why I'm wearing gloves, but you don't have to. Okay, so let's get into it. So first of all, you know that the cocoa pod is ripe when it kind of jiggles around in there. So when you shake it, it should make a noise here like this. Yeah, so that's apparently when it's ripe. And so now we just cut into it and see where it goes. So I'll angle you guys down so you can see what I'm doing. There you go. So I have my little cocoa pod here. Take a knife and I think I'm gonna just score it along one of the natural lines of it, like this one right here. See how it has these natural ridges? So I'm just gonna score it in one of the natural lines. Ooh, okay. Really kind of hard. I'm super excited to see what this is gonna look like. I really hope it's not rotten. Okay, I'm gonna make the same line on the other side. Okay, let's see if that's enough. Really thick skin. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. So that is the inside of a cacao pod, which is what we make chocolate out of. Isn't that amazing? It doesn't look anything like chocolate. I'm gonna break it open here. All right. Okay, so now that we have it open here, let's see. First impressions. Very slimy. Okay. Ooh, one of these pods is already kind of trying to escape. Ooh, smells interesting. Smells kind of tart, floral. Yeah, very floral, kind of chemically. Smells very interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna get one of these little pods out here. And you can see that. That's what it looks like. Has this white flesh around it. And apparently you could eat that, so I'll give it a go. Hopefully I don't die. I'm a little bit nervous. Interesting. Wow. It's actually very interesting. Like sour, kind of sweet, not much to it. A little bit floral. Very interesting. So basically there's not much substance to it because it's just like that white kind of film around the pods. Okay, so basically there's not much to the flesh, but it's not the flesh that we're concerned about anyways, because we want what's inside. the bean. So I'm just gonna angle you down again so you can see. There you go. So here we have the pod. I'm gonna empty them out into a little bowl, I think. See, I have this one that I was sucking on already. You can see I kind of sucked off most of the outer flesh part. Okay, I'm gonna take that out. Wow, this is just amazing, isn't it? Just amazing. But this is where chocolate comes from. One of my favorite things in the world. Okay, so I'm gonna just take the seeds off. This central part here. This little fruit had tons of seed in it. Yeah, that's what they look like. I'll put them all in this little bowl here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, so now I have my cacao pods all in my little bowl here. And apparently what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to ferment them for like a week. And I've kind of looked it up online on how to do it. I don't really have banana leaves or bamboo crates. So I'm just gonna do it in this bowl. Hopefully that works. And so yeah, you're supposed to leave them in a warm place for about a week, and you turn them once a day just to make sure they don't get moldy. Yeah, so you're supposed to cover them with banana leaves, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use a dish towel. Use my fancy Christmas kitty dish towel. I'm just gonna lay that over top like that. And I'm gonna put it in a warm place, and then hopefully in a week they'll be fermented. Okay, so I'm gonna film the progress as I ferment them, and I'll give you guys some updates on how they're doing. So until next time, bye.